Hello everyone, let's take a look at today's question which says 1 divided by x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals 0. Solve for x. Today's question looks simple, but it's one of those questions that tricks almost everyone. Now let's solve it together. We are given 1 divided by x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals 0. Now let's move the exponential term to the other side. So we have a negative exponential term here, which is minus 4 raised to the power of x. So let's move it to this side, thereby turning it to a positive exponential term. So our expression becomes 1 divided by x equals 4 raised to the power of x. Before we solve any equation, let's check the domain. Note that 1 divided by x is undefined when x equals 0. Also, 4 raised to the power of x is always positive for every real number. Therefore, 1 divided by x must also be what? Positive. That means x is what? Is greater than 0. Now let's test some values in order for us to get our x. The first value is what? If x equals 1. So let's test that. If x equals 1, our equation again, 1 divided by x equals 4 raised to the power of x. So if x is 1, our equation becomes 1 divided by 1 equals 4 raised to the power of 1. 1 divided by 1 will give us 1 equals 4 raised to the power of 1. That's 4 times 1, which will give us 4. That means x equals 1 is incorrect. Now let's test another one, which is x equals 2. If x equals 2, I question again, 1 divided by x equals 4 raised to the power of x. Now if x equals 2, we shall be having 1 divided by 2 equals 4 raised to the power of 2. So 1 divided by 2 equals 4 raised to the power of 2. That's 4 times 4, which will give us 16. Can you see that both sides are not the same? So s equals 2 is incorrect. Now let's try if x equals half. Our equation again, 1 divided by x equals 4 raised to the power of x. So we have 1 divided by half equals 4 raised to the power of half. Let's use our KCF rule to change this. KCF rule, that's keep, change, and flip. So we have 1 divided by 1 times 2 divided by 1 equals 4 raised to the power of half. So 1 cancel 1, so we are left with 2 here. So 2 equals 4 raised to the power of half. So 2 equals 4 raised to the power of half is 2. That means both sides are now equal. We have 2 on the left side now, and we have 2 on the right side also. That means x equals 1 over 2, which is half, is correct for this equation. The mistake most people make whenever they are solving this type of question is they combine 1 divided by x and 4 raised to the power of x using algebraic rules. That doesn't really work here. Also, testing only integers. Sometimes the solution to this question might be a fraction. So don't let us restrict ourselves to using integers only. Sometimes if integers don't work, then make sure you use a fraction and check if the fraction will actually work for the equation. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more challenges.